Have you ever trusted a name for decades only to wake up one day and wonder, is my money still safe here? T. Rowe Price has been a familiar name in retirement circles for years. They've built a reputation on long-term investing, disciplined strategy, and no-nonsense service. But as the economy shifts and retirees face growing uncertainty, it's time we ask the hard questions. Is T. Rowe Price still the right fit for today's retirement challenges? Let's start with what they're doing right. Their mutual funds have historically outperformed over the long haul, and their active management style means real humans are behind your portfolio, not just algorithms. That's comforting. But here's where things start to get complicated. Fees. While many firms are racing to zero on expense ratios, T. Rowe Price still leans on actively managed funds with higher fees. That can eat into your returns faster than you think, especially if you're drawing down in retirement. Then there's the tax side. If you're holding funds in a taxable account, many of T. Rowe Price's actively managed funds throw off capital gains, whether you want them or not. That's money lost to taxes, not spent enjoying your retirement. And what about protection? This is where most retirees miss the mark. T. Rowe Price, like many traditional firms, keeps your money exposed to market downturns. No guardrails, no real hedges, just ride it out advice, even when your timeline doesn't allow for that. Now here's the part nobody talks about. Retirees today aren't just managing market volatility, they're trying to survive inflation, tax risk, and geopolitical shocks. You can't afford to just wait and see anymore. And if you're one of the millions of Americans with over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, this review isn't just interesting, it's personal. Because if you're trusting your nest egg to a legacy institution without reevaluating your strategy, you could be walking into the next crisis blindfolded. So what's the takeaway? T. Rowe Price still offers solid long-term strategies, but in today's world, solid might not be enough. You need flexibility, you need protection, and most of all, you need a plan that's built for this economy, not the one we grew up in. That's why we created a free Gold IRA guide specifically for Americans with 100K or more in retirement savings. It's designed to help you diversify wisely, protect your purchasing power, and avoid the common traps most retirees fall into. And yes, there's a free one-on-one educational call included. No pressure, no gimmicks, no silver coins. Just honest information from real professionals who want to help you build a stronger retirement for yourself and your family. You worked hard to build that nest egg. Now let's make sure it lasts and grows for the next generation. Get your free Gold IRA guide today.